Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this wash and go using the Maui Moisture Frizz-Free Elongating Hair Gel, then just keep watching this video. I'm going to show y'all exactly how I got this wash and go and what I thought of the gel. Okay y'all, so this is what I'm starting off with. Last night I washed and I shampooed and conditioned my hair with this Healing Hydrate Shea Butter shampoo and conditioner, both by Maui Moisture, and I use this coconut cream deep conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. And to style my hair, I'm going to be using this calendula hair tea from Dominican Curly, and also obviously the Frizz-Free Elongating Gel. This is kind of a review on this, and to pair with that, I'm also going to be using this Superfruit Complex conditioner by Shea Moisture. For like a better spray experience, I poured the Dominican Curly hair tea into the blue spray bottle, and this is my hair, just kind of pulling it apart. Do y'all see that freaking gray hair? But yeah, this is what I'm looking like, and I'm going to kind of flip my hair to either side to see what part I liked. And I actually liked my part on the right side this time rather than the left, which you will see. So to style and moisturize my hair, the first thing I did was split my hair top half from bottom half, and now I'm going in and spraying this back section with water so I can go in with my wide tooth comb, which you see now, and detangle. And I'm going to do that same exact thing on the other side. Here's a quick length check of the back section for y'all. My hair is really growing, but now I'm going to go in with this Dominican Curly hair tea, the calendula hair tea, and completely drench my hair with that. And now, after my hair is nice and saturated with that, I'm going to go in with my Evolve brush and thoroughly detangle my hair. And after that, I'm going to go and use the Superfruit Complex 10-in-1 Renewal System conditioner. And just like that size amount for the whole back half of my hair, I didn't know how well it would mix with my gel, so I just wanted to use, you know, just a little bit, and I didn't know if the gel had its own moisture, so it was just kind of experimental. But this is how my hair looked after applying that, just a nice little bit. And now I'm going in with this Frizz-Free Shea Butter Elongating Gel. So this was the consistency. It was nice and lightweight. It wasn't too sticky, but you know, I could tell it was gonna have a little hold. But I think I'm gonna have to check the ingredients, and I'll put it on the screen. But I think it's like really water-based. Like it's just seemed water-based to me. And this is how my hair looked while applying it. And to optimize the gel, since my hair wasn't completely drenched, I guess I just sprayed some more water and then applied more gel, which you will see here, and just made sure to get like the frizzier spots, so like the middle of the section, the nape of my neck, my ends. And this is how it looked after doing that, kind of shaking it out. I'm gonna, you know, finesse the section and get it nice and defined, and then you'll see me do the same thing on the other half of the back half. Right here is me working it in on this other side, doing the same technique I did on the other side. Then this is how the section looked after it was fully saturated. And y'all know me, I don't like the middle part. So I got my wide tooth comb and just comb right through the middle, so you know it could look the best. I don't know. And then this is how the back section is looking once I got done. So right here you see me fixing my part, making it straight, and I'm just going to part off this full section. I did the top half of my hair in 3 sections, so yeah, you'll see me do that. And yeah, this is just me parting it out. And on this section I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm starting off with spritzing it or spraying it with water, going in with my wide tooth comb immediately after, and then after that you will see me going in with the Dominican Curly Calendula hair tea, saturating my hair with that. I really do enjoy these hair teas, so you know I thought it would be a nice contribution to this wash and go because I only use a little bit of the conditioner. I didn't know how the gel would react, so I thought that would be a good base. I made sure to get my edges and everything because my edges have been a little dry lately. I'm just now getting back into my hair routine fully, so you know, just to give my hair the best chance, you know, I made sure to get that hair tea everywhere. But you see right here, I am applying the conditioner. I combed it through, and I'm now putting in the hair gel, which you see right here, working that all the way through. So right here, I'm seeing how well the gel can smooth my hair by laying it down. I wanted this wash and go to be relatively smooth. So right here, you see me adding more gel. And then I'm actually going to lay my edges. And I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't think this gel had the hold or the capability to do what it did, but as you can tell by my face, I was pleasantly surprised. I was shook pretty much. Okay, so now I'm on to my last section. Here's a length check from up top. My hair is growing out so much, y'all. Oh my gosh. But, you know, I didn't show y'all like the whole step-by-step up top because y'all have seen me do it so many times. But here is me, you know, kind of touching up the section with my brush, with my comb, to give my hair, you know, like the best possibility to be defined, you know, doing what I gotta do. After that, I'm going to go in with my oil mix, put some on my hands and scrunch it and squeeze it into my hair strands just to seal in all of that moisture. And like I said earlier, I want this wash and go to be sleek. So I'm going in with some wet line gel. And I'm just touching it up on the sections that you saw me lay earlier. On this side and on the top. And then in the second, you're going to see me lay my edges on the other side as well. I feel Spanish. I feel like a Puerto Rican. And here's a little look at how my wet results are looking. It looks like it has a lot of potential, and it looks good, you know. This is the final results. Quickly before I just, you know, head on to the next clip, I really did enjoy this. It was very lightweight. Yeah, it moisturized, defines, and elongates like the bottle says. I liked it. And my curls look really good. I was a little worried about using only like a dime size amount of my Shea Moisture Conditioner underneath this because I wanted to make sure my hair was moisturized. Looks so good. I'm pretty sure it's greatly moisturized. Like, look at this girl. But yeah, that's it for right now. I'll see you in a couple hours. And again, here's another like up close look. Like the shine looks really good. Okay, y'all, so it's 6 hours later, and this is how my hair dried. As you can see, the curls really do look good. I like the shape. I like the volume that I am seeming to have. These are the curls, and as you see, they look good. As you saw when I was doing my hair, I was only using a little bit of the Shea Moisture Conditioner to put on because, first of all, I didn't know how it would mix with the gel because that was my first time ever using it, ever opening it, so I just didn't know. And also I didn't know if the gel would have much moisture on its own. And I can say my hair feels okay right now. It's like 95% dry right now. It feels okay, but I can't say like it's soft, but I can't say that I see or feel a lot of moisture. Like I could see this lasting 3 to 4 days on moisture and a week on definition. So we'll see. On moisture alone, I wouldn't recommend using that by itself. You would need a nice leave-in underneath. But yeah, so my hair looks pretty darn good right now. So when y'all see me again, I'm gonna have my makeup done and hopefully my hair looks good. I really do not know how to preserve my hair because my hair is a little longer than it used to be, obviously, and I just don't know. Should I pineapple it? Should I just put the bonnet on top? I don't know. So we'll find out. And y'all, this is my final results. This is day 2 hair. I'm going to give you more deets on what I think in just a second. But as you can see, I think it looks good. It looks good. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result of my wash and go. This is technically day 2. As you can tell, my hair is nice and fluffy. My final results of this Frizz-Free Shea Butter Elongating Gel by Maui Moisture, I would rate it a 3 out of 5. Obviously, I have a lot of frizz. Maybe I didn't use enough products. I can't tell how much I used, but maybe I didn't use enough. I don't know. Maybe I didn't use enough of my leave-in, but I would rate it a 3 out of 5. My hair feels okay. The moisture is maybe a 3 out of 5. Like, you know, it's definitely not a 5 out of 5. And it is not very much elongated right now, but I did slightly refresh my hair, and it's definitely frizzy. Like, it's not, maybe this is not meant for my type of hair. Maybe it's meant for like I don't know, a silkier texture. Although my hair, I don't know, but yeah, I would rate that like a 3 out of 5. It's not my favorite, but it was an experience. I rarely use gels on my hair, and you know, I didn't mind the experience. My hair looks good. I like all the volume I have. It looks good, so I can't complain too much. It's just not my favorite. But yeah, that's it for this wash and go. Hopefully y'all liked it. Hopefully the video wasn't too long. But again, that's it. So if you all enjoyed this wash and go video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.